Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can filter out your notifications on Instagram. So go to your profile page, again go to the three lines for the settings and scroll down to the notifications tab. Select it, and here you can pause all, or you can select a specific notification that you want to turn off. For instance, you want to turn off calls, you're just going to select video chats, and you're going to select either from everyone, from profiles I follow, or even turn it off. And again, you can be selective, for instance, from following or followers, off, and like off. I don't like having a lot of notifications on, so I do this quite a lot. I do mostly everything except for messages, because I don't really like it, I guess. But I don't like having like notifications of like likes and like follows, as well as like birthdays and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.